Hey there, I'm Phil, and I'm here to tell you about Green Grippers, the ultimate upgrade for your lawnmower. These aren't just your ordinary wheel covers. They're a game changer for anyone who wants a smoother, safer, and more efficient lawn mowing experience. Imagine cutting through tall grass with ease, effortlessly maneuvering around obstacles, and conquering even the steepest slopes. With Green Grippers, your lawnmower will have the grip and traction it needs to tackle any challenge. It's like giving your mower a superpower. Plus, they're so easy to install. You'll have them on your mower in no time, ready to transform your mowing experience. And the best part? They're built to last way past one season, making them a smart investment for years of hassle-free mowing. And when you're finally done with them, they're biodegradable, making them eco-friendly too. Don't settle for a mediocre lawn mowing experience. Order your Green Grippers today and elevate your lawn care game. You'll wonder how you ever mowed without them. Go to www.green-grippers.com and get yours now. Always free shipping.